Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what happened to your mobile? What is the story of your mobile phone?
My mobile broke from my hand and
12.
broke
Hmm.
the display.
So display was gone. So how much have you
Ji.
paid for the new mobile
No mobile credit create.
on credit? So what is the payment plan for that?
Mm, I no more payment
Uh-huh.
because this mobile is my cousin
Your cousin's mobile.
and we have get for some days at
Okay.
night
You have borrowed mobile JC for your
for class.
classes. For classes. All right. So do you plan to buy a mobile? And is that expensive? How much? Nancy, are you looking for a mobile or not?
Not expenses. Approximately 12,000.
Just 10,000, 12,000, that's good enough. Okay. There's no need to buy very, very expensive mobiles.
Ji.
All right. So it's very nice to have you back at the class. Actually, I was missing. After that, to see some people join my class. And yeah, a short while ago, it was speaking class, IELTS relating, and we were discussing about friends, TV programs. So, do you watch TV?
Ji.
Do you watch TV? TV.
Yes.
So,
No, I have.
you don't watch TV.
Yes.
So, how do you spend your day, whole day? You go to office, you work there. Are you going to office tomorrow?
Yes.
So you go 6 days a week or 7 days a week? What is your routine?
7 days a week.
You go
Just Sunday. Just
Sunday off.
Sunday
So
is
six days a week you go there. So
Ji.
on Friday you come early or usual 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock?
6 o'clock.
Okay. All right. So anyway, you have a very busy life. Okay. So what is your daily routine? What time you get up and what time you go to office and how do you come back? What do you do in the office? So tell me about yourself, about your every day, how you spend every day, every working day, I mean.
I have just I have just two work. Do work job in job
Uh-huh.
and other work is go to home and mobile use. Just
Mhm.
two work.
So do you think that mobile is necessary for you? It's really important.
Nothing.
Do you receive many phone calls on your mobile
But I
phone?
am very, but I am very,
Hmm.
very worried.
Hmm.
Hello.
Hello, I can hear you. Yes,
I
say.
am very worried about my future.
Hmm. So
I am very worried about our future.
worried about what? Mobile phone or work?
Not future, but future work.
Future. You are worried about your future. So what difficulties you have?
Yes,
Why worried, dear?
because I want to more. I want more earning. I want more earning
Mhm. So,
with the passage of time.
so don't you think that online you can make some channels, or you see some people are just doing this online business as well? Just improve
I
your.
have no ideas in this about.
And so go to YouTube, and there are so many new ideas that you can see what people are doing. You see, you can see one thing are
Sir,
on
your
demand.
sir sound drop.
Mhm. Sound is maybe signal issues. With me, it is all okay. Okay. Sometimes it happens, but it will get, we are making recording. Okay. So never mind. If sometimes you feel my speech is not reaching
Yes.
you, and later when you watch the movie, then you can hear me, I think, clearly. So it is recording is going on, but never mind. If there is some signal loss, may not be a big problem. So online, think of online earning. You see, there are many different ideas. Naturally, there's not so easy, but maybe someday you realize. For example, one idea is that you are familiar with the furniture. Okay, isn't that?
Yes.
So
Yes.
you can easily you can find the customers to the company, and company will naturally pay you. You know what is the worth, what is the price, and you can just ask the customers to bring them to sell them furnitures. You just collect orders and ask the company this is the address, and sell them. You send the dispatch the things at that address, and you collect the money. You will have your share. Company will be very happy. Hello.
Yes. Yes.
So this is one idea. Okay, you can deal in furniture as well because you know very well about all the things. The company naturally company is selling furniture. They are making furniture. They are selling it, and you can also help people buy the good furniture. Catalog. There you see a company has a website or not?
Not.
Company doesn't have any website. Facebook ID.
Just a
Uh,
Facebook email.
Facebook ID they have. So what is their ID on Facebook? What is the name of your
My office account, yeah,
yeah, yes, your office account. You see
Sisle
on
Pure Water.
with they are introducing their furniture naturally on electronic media. So what is the name of your company? Hello?
As I have job in these days. This company name, Sisle Pure Water.
Pure water.
But I have not have not selected my furniture name.
No, previously you were attached with a company that was relating to furniture. You told me this.
Furniture is my father passion.
No, you told me about the designing that you design furnitures or this, something like.
I have I have many vision, but I have not approached them.
Okay. Your father is relating to, you see, woodwork. Okay. You have a shop. So what items you make and what should be the price?
Uh, Prices are different. He makes
Yeah. Okay.
charpai beds, room furniture
Charpai, how much
like
is
cabinet, table.
cabinet tables? Okay. All these things. Okay. You have
Uh,
do you
Now
have,
these days, 6,000.
listen me, you have your Facebook ID. Is there any ID on Facebook?
My personal,
Ah, yes, of course.
my Vakar Hellion,
Wakar, W-A,
Hellion,
Alien,
G,
I-E-N, is that?
IAN.
I-A-N, Alien. Wakar, Ali, Wakar, Alien. Is there any space in between?
Yes.
Can you see the screen? I have shared it, I think.
No.
You cannot see. Let me share it. Can you see it now? Hello?
Yes. Last.
So
Yes, yes.
this, you see, I have written Vakar alien. Is there any space after Vakar? Is it like this?
Alien, Hellion, H-A-I,
H
H-A-I,
A
H-A-I,
I L I A N.
I, yes,
HAIL alien. So is there any space in between?
yes,
As I have written here, can you see this? Is it
yes,
okay?
space head.
Okay, here we enter. We
Yes,
see
I see it.
what is. So alien I've got. Is that your ID?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, add a friend. You are added to my. I have sent you request. Okay, sometimes when you are free, you can just see. So, have you
Yes.
added the pictures of your relating to furniture your father makes? You see, charpaiya or cabinets or all these things. So, have
No
you?
pictures have.
Okay, well, you can have pictures. Is this you? Hello, Wakar?
These are related people.
Huh?
Gigi.
Is this you? Who is this cute boy?
Yes, yes, sir.
Is this which is your picture? This one is your picture or this one is your picture?
This picture,
This is you.
that that's who.
All right.
Diamond Valley. Diamond Valley.
Ahmedabad. So you love this Khaddam Hussain. Is that?
I have no love.
You, okay, Jayes. So what is this furniture item? You see somebody is standing here. Is this stage or what? Home or office? What is this?
That is my cousin.
Uh-huh.
That is my cousin. I
Uh,
have no picture there
What is this?
related office or
Okay.
related my furniture.
Okay. So it's what is this? You see, where is it? Office, table, what is that? Sound system? Where is this young man standing? I think this is yours.
Young man, my cousin.
Okay. So what is
Yes.
this? Okay, I think this is a vehicle, car. So where were you? Were you in Murray? Hello?
Not sound.
Okay. So yeah, you can see this picture. So where is this? In Murray or somewhere in Lahore?
In Barrier Town.
This is Barrier Town. All right. It looks like Barrier Town. All right. Okay. So are you interested in poetry as well?
Yes.
Do you write poems?
This picture, previous picture is my
This
college
one,
gala.
college gala.
Previous.
Which one? Here we
Next.
are.
Next.
Next.
Yes.
Here you
Yes.
are.
Yes.
So
Yes.
you are in college.
Yes.
Okay,
These are my class fellows.
class fellows. Okay. So why don't you? Your father is making furniture. Okay, he has a skill, and what he makes, you introduce the job of your father. What he is making. You have some pictures. Make a catalog. Put them on this Facebook. Okay, you can create a page.
Yes.
Maybe people, maybe I myself, I sometimes I have bought. Previously, I bought this furniture for my office. So maybe someday some my friends or ask me or somebody needs furniture or the bed or charpaya or sometimes table or so things like this. Maybe you can have business online. It is starts like this. You can earn more.
Yes.
So have you been Halle College of Commerce?
This my college building.
Your college.
Yes,
Okay.
my college building.
College building. So you have been there. So where is this? And you see this cabinet
College
in
library.
college library is there. So, all right. So and now let me tell you about here is anonymous animals. So what about animals? So do you like animals and birds? Well, this is also another business. You see have a cage and Australian parrots, so you can feed them, and they give so many baby birds, Australian parrots. So making cages is not a problem for you. You can make cages and online you can sell parrots. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Do you think that it is a good idea? You can make a cage and you see there are small parrots, these Australian parrots, they're expensive, People are making business in this. You buy, you see a pair of parrots, maybe 7,700, 800, and
These
then
are
they start, you see,
this
laying
very
eggs
hard
and
work.
not very hard. Just you see, you will have to change the
This is
water.
very hard work.
About parrots. This is not very hard work about parrots. Hello?
Sir, I have just interest in furniture and office work or books.
Yes, if you are interested in that, I don't know what type of furniture your father makes, okay? But you have now mobile phone, you can take some photographs, so you can upload them on your Facebook ID, and you can also make some videos, and you can start your video channel as well, YouTube channel as well, okay? So
Yes,
if you need my help, I will assist you naturally. It will be my pleasure, happily. Sometimes I upload the videos. I am making recording at the moment. Okay, we are talking about furniture. Okay, in furniture, what is there the best selling item? What is the best selling item that your father makes? You see a lot these days. He is making furniture. So what items are well in demand? I mean, they
excuse me, sir.
sell very quickly. Yes, come in. दरवाजा खुला थी? बंद कर दो।
Excuse me,
हाँ, yes. Okay, वालेकुम अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
sir. What is
अच्छा, all right, all right. रोटी छोटी का मैं कुछ नहीं किया, जाके बता रहा हूँ ले आ बेटा। Hello, वकार।
yes?
You tell me
Gigi.
what are the best
Yes.
items which are selling in the market? You can easily. Your father is making so many. They are well in demand. Charpaiyan,
Charpai.
charpai. So what is the price of a charpai?
6,000 to 7,000.
So how is it? Is he charpai? Is it traditional charpai or is he like a bed you making? Like we need it
Traditional.
traditional charpais. वो सारी जो दान होती है बनाई जाती हैं. So is it wood made or is he
बिल्कुल वैसे.
nowadays there is a fashion of you see folding charpais are mostly they are made from metals. So do you think that is he those metal charpais are cheaper than you see wood charpais because wood charpais are heavy as well, difficult to carry as well.
Not.
So in the market,
Because
in the market is
wood charpai have an entity.
uh-huh.
जी.
So do you
Excuse
think
excuse me.
wood charpai you see if there is some kind of the something breaks, so it is difficult because iron metal charpai, the welding, you can easily, welder can just set it right once again. But wood charpai is difficult to mend, you know.
tomorrow inshallah,
Hmm.
मैं
You will
I would
just,
introduce to you. I will
yes.
introduce you to.
Okay, or you will show the pictures, okay? And they can
Yes,
all the things that your father makes and your father can make, okay? You take the
yes.
snaps,
Excuse
take,
me, sir.
uh-huh.
Why I cannot speak?
Because you are, it is after 15 days or 20 days or 1 month that you are online. So naturally, you will feel difficulty. This is, it's a natural, dear. Now you have started speaking, dear.
I like I feel I have very poor in this matter.
Naturally, now you are talking to a professor and you are, you see, comparing against my ability to speak. Naturally, you will feel it. Okay, I myself, there are some teachers, you see, I myself stay. Sometimes I say I'm unable to speak to them. Okay, there are some people, it is difficult
Yes.
to speak to them. But I think communication, you are improving. If you have more classes, so you will feel easy. Okay, so fluency is there, and the other thing is that my
Because
lessons, you mostly students don't give importance to them, so it adds to their difficulties as well. So I told you that I don't come to speak without the first lesson that I gave you about tenses and grammar. If I forget them, I will not be talking to anyone. So the students, they try to speak without that. Okay, I told you about tenses, present, past, and future. Okay,
yes,
so there are
yes,
some
yes.
signs you don't learn them and you find difficulty. If I forget them, I will be in difficulty. Similarly, I told you about grammar, so you should also remember that. And if you try to speak without that, naturally you will feel difficulty. I don't have the courage to speak without that. And the other things,
In
later I told you about 10 different type of sentences, and you should also keep that in mind. Okay, try to translate them Urdu to English, English to Urdu. The third part was, you say, do you, are you, have you. So when somebody is talking to you, he will naturally use these different type of questions, okay, which may be difficult. I mean, normally, when people talk, they don't use all of these questions. But if you are easy and familiar with that, you will find it easy. So you've told me about business. Let's talk about business. So I am interested
yes,
that what furniture your father makes, what are the designs, and you can take photographs, the best thing that your father has made, and the price, you should introduce them. You will get orders, inshallah. Okay, just I will tell you that when you are on Facebook, you will collect orders, and when you pass the order to your father, you can adjust the date that how long it will take to make them ready and what will be the price. So if you keep reasonable price, see profit in that, you will get business. Online, you can see it's not, you see, in the past, the people had to go to, you see, I'm sitting in my office. I'm also doing my job. This is my business. I'm doing it. So similarly, you can also do the business. Okay. I have also
yes,
one of my, you can say my brother. He is actually my teacher's son. Okay. And he is my relative as well. So he is with me. He is started, you see, garments. He is selling garments, ready-made garments. He is selling.
yes.
He takes them to the selling point as well. And online, I will make some snaps and I will put them on here on Facebook. And sometimes he may have phone calls, and he will deliver. It will be easy to sell them. I this idea I'm now telling you, talking to you, and new ideas come to my mind. So at home, you can also start business like, you see, parrots. What one you can ask your father. You can, I think yourself, you can make cage. Can you make a cage?
Yes,
cage for
we can
parrots.
make it.
You can make music.
Yes, yes,
So make a cage for your parrots, and you can have 5 to 10 parrots in the cage. Okay, buy one pair, and you see after some days you will see there will be, and they lay so many eggs. You see 4 or 5 eggs they lay, and maybe you will have 2 more pairs of parrots, and after 1 month you will again and again, this cycle continues. Okay, so within days you will have
yes,
many parrots, and you can sell them in the market, you can sell them online.
yes, yes.
So this is an idea, and I think you can do this. The other idea is that you take the photographs of the furniture that you can sell. You know the price, and you can easily find the profit in that, because this is your family business, and I think it is easy for you. So communication skill will be there naturally in the beginning. 'Cause you will feel some difficulty, but I think not as much as um, unrelated person can have. So I think you should be bold. Okay, you can start business. Never mind. Business is easy these days. It's not a problem. Okay.
Inshallah.
So you are going to
Yes,
water company. See, you can book orders for them. You can also propagate business. They are also selling, you see, these water bottles, and sometimes there are functions. So they need, you see, marriage halls, they need water bottles. Okay, so make if the has company.
we deal with Bariaton,
Yes,
huge
anyway,
area for market,
anywhere, and you
and
can find a market. It depends upon the price and the availability and the quality, and if it is all good, and you can, you see, make a. And your company has catalogs.
what is catalogs mean?
Catalog means a booklet which has pictures. What is the name of your company? Pure Water Company. What is the name? But
Sizzle,
Sizzle.
Sizzle pure water.
SIZ
EA, SEA,
SEA
SEAS,
SLY
SLY,
Sizzle.
space,
Uh-huh.
yes,
Sizzle
pure
water.
water,
Pure. Sizzle pure water. Let me see. Pure water.
pure water.
Me. Do they have an internet website? Sizzle Pure Water has
Not
website.
yet.
They have is if it's 32 photos. And who is Sad Bhatti, Chief Executive Officer, Sizzle? Do you know Sad Bhatti? Hello?
Yes, yes,
Do you know this person, Sad Bhatti, Executive
yes, sir.
Officer? Okay. Okay. Let me see what is. And a
Mm,
quarterly
this is director.
quarterly report, bottled water quality. I think what is that? I will see this. Is this yours? Images of Sizzle pure water. Is this
Yes, yes,
so you can I can use it, take pictures from here, and I can make a web page, and I can advertisement that is the water at best price. You see, pure drinking water. What is oral pure drinking water? You see, weed science pure water. I shall see what is here. Join to view full profile for free. Okay, let me join. Had doge bhai. Join, we sign in. Sign in, password, sign up, linked in. I don't know what is this. So these are the bottles, okay? And this is the formula, I think. This is the whole profile of these bottles. Well, one wrong thing is that they give so much to read. So this is the only thing that it becomes difficult. This is your report, I think. Report somewhere lying.
these reports.
reports. Isn't that confidential? So I think they should not advertise on the internet. Anyway, so this report sign in linked and see, but it is difficult to symbol. Sisley pure water. This is your Facebook page you also have, okay?
Yes.
So I think this is you. Is
Yes.
that?
Yes.
So are these your certificates? No, Food Authority. And Sisley waters. So where are the price, and you see delivery, what are the attraction about it? Movie. I am sharing this movie, okay, on my
Okay.
website, on my see in Facebook ID. It has gone there. Seriously, and now open at Asiana Center.
Ash-
Okay, I'm sharing this as well. It's going that there. So, do you? What are your selling points? You see, where can one get? For example, if I want to buy these bottles, so what should I do? Do you have any selling point near Bahria town?
yes.
Where?
Uh, we started new points in Johor Town.
Uh-huh.
Johor Town to a new Anarkali and old Anarkali
I say
and
about there is monopoly of you see Nestle, Gourmet, and you see now these days Cake and Bake. They are also selling waters. So how will
yes.
you? I think if I have a shop, yeah, I have a place here in Bahria town. You can see send bottles here. If I maybe I can sell. So what is the profit if I sell one? You see large bottle, 20 liters. So what is the profit? How much company will pay me?
In
Hello.
19 later prof. Gigi.
Yes, 19-liter bottle. If I sell 10 bottles every day, so how much is my profit
Your profit is 20 rupees per bottle.
per bottle? So if I sell 10 bottles, that means 200 rupees.
Yes.
So if how much is for refilling? Do you make refilling as well?
80 rupees refilling.
80 rupees refilling, and I think in the market they are selling for 100.
Yes.
So company should make reduction. I think company should you see fill my bottle for 60 rupees. Then I have some preferred. I can you see in the market I will sell 10% discount.
Sorry.
If companies you see sell me for 60 rupees per bottle, then I may be ready to work for the company.
Yes.
If I buy you see 10 bottles
We
every
have
day,
created. We have.
you see my delivery charges are also there
Are you
in,
join?
huh? May,
Are you
may,
join us?
maybe if I see the profit, I will join.
Yes.
Online, I can, you see, from Bahria town, online, I can collect orders and I can, you see, deliver the bottle to their, to the home. And if I give them naturally 100 rupees per bottle is not that people cannot pay. But sometimes you see there should be some benefit. Okay. If I, for 20
Yes.
rupees, 20 rupees, if I make delivery, you see, 20 rupees is my own cost. It's petrol charges, so staying all the time, maybe I need somebody to deliver this all. So I think if company is filling the bottle for 60 rupees, then we can think about it. So do you think that company will agree to that? In Bahria
And
Town, you don't
I
have a
will agree.
it's not you're agreeing, it's about the okay, how much if I want to
My
start,
mm,
if I want to start this business, so how much money do I need? Hello?
जी
So how much money do I need? So
हाँ जी हाँ
see,
जी
if can I buy 5 bottles here in my office?
सर
Okay.
आपकी आवाज बहुत पूरी है.
Okay. Actually, in Bahria town, they have see Bahria town plants. So they are also very active. But in you see areas like Jubilee town, and there's it can be a big market in Jubilee town. People are also selling you see this water, and they have some points. I know near my home there is, and there is a person, he has started selling you see drinking water, and he has kept a bottle say there, and you know it's a kind
Hello.
of semi commercial, and they are selling waters. Hello.
Yes.
So this, I think,
Yes sir, बात कर रहा हूँ.
is it a good idea to start you see selling water, see drinking water in our area? Will it be a good business or not?
सर आपकी आवाज ड्रॉप हो रही है.
Well, okay, all right. So, do you think it will be a good idea to start to sell, you see, drinking water? Hello, hello, Vakar. Hello.
Yes yes.
Okay, dear. It's for now 11 o'clock. I will see you tomorrow. Okay.
हाँ इंशाल्लाह.
About 10 o'clock, I will start the class, and we shall talk more about business, and we'll talk about
Yes.
more about earning money. I wish that you should have some photographs of the
Ye-
furniture that your father makes, and you should introduce your
Yes.
skills. And online
Yes.
business can be done. Okay, you can make a team, and you can start a business. No problem. All right, dear.
Yes sir. इंशाल्लाह.
Okay, sleep well. Sweet dreams. Take
Okay Allah.
care. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Okay. हाफिज.
Allah Hafiz, dear.